Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel an Ulta order using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on orders. So you will see a list of your recent orders. Tap the order you want to cancel. If your order is still eligible, you will see a button that says cancel order. Tap cancel order. The app may ask you to choose a reason. Pick any reason and tap confirm. You will see a message that says your order is cancelled. Your refund will go back to your original payment method. This usually takes a few business days. If you don't see the cancel order button, that means Ulta has already started processing or shipping your order. If that happens, you cannot cancel it in the app. And that's it. That's how you cancel an order using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.